Hi guys, welcome to a new video of Bitcoin Edge. Today we'll take another look into the charts and some good news first. McDonald's in San Salvador is accepting Bitcoin for their orders, which is a really cool thing to see. I mean, the market has seen a lot of blood. You've probably already heard it, but TradFi as well. You can see it over here in the S&P 500, gold. And the Nasdaq is still actually good, or is engulfing it over here, as we can see. And the Dixie made a big pop over here. This is what we're seeing on the Dixie. Very steep trend line over here. Break and pump. Not that bad, but ES1 futures, are a bit worse. They broke this trend line over here. Right now, bouncing a little. I mean, it's not that bad on traditional finance. Bitcoin, however, like really big liquidation event. Everybody, who was long from over here got either stopped out or liquidated. And right now, we're at a very important spot. And this is one of those places again where it's free money to long. When discounts and funding is this low, you long. Look at these levels over here, it's perfect for a long scalp. If you still have money, of course, that is. I mean, I didn't see this one coming. Did I get effed? Well, I'm pretty lucky with being stopped out on Ethereum, just below 3,800. And otherwise, I wasn't in leverage positions. And I just woke up from a nap and see this stuff now. And my spot bags, already have bounced quite a bit. Ethereum, USD over here, complete hell is what I got. Fundings have been high for a week already on basically every altcoin and Ethereum. And this is what we're seeing right now. Important spot for me to end the day is basically 3,600. This is the level we are looking at. Bitfinex is down for maintenance, and yeah, that really, Bitfinex is really where dumps find support. Yeah, 3,600 is what we need to look at on daily. On a lower time frame, it just effing happened. For now, lower time frame looks good. Everybody and their mom, is stopped out of their longs. So this is, one of those times you buy the dip. Same for Ethereum BTC. I mean, big support over here from this high. And wow, bounced right back up. Looking good. This is the type, we see, get stopped out very well. And then you try to catch the bottom. Guys, if you want some trading advice, a trading tutorial, get on my Bybit referral link and you get that free PDF. And I mean, Solana, any targets left? No, like Solana is really outperforming everything. They're at new all-time highs. Like it's a complete chat right now. They're breaking this one, and I don't know where it's going. That was very logical. Resistance over here, and right now they completely engulfed the dump already and looking mighty fine. Step, wow, what a bounce. The daily as well. I'm enjoying Step a lot. Was up a lot on the day, but right now, I mean, what a huge doji. It's just ugly, and it's looking good now. Step has something to do with Solana, so expecting them to follow Solana, and it's looking mighty good still. Doge is looking bad here. Doge, it's looking bad. If you do want to play it, we want the daily to close above there. Do we see something like this? They just broke it, but not really. Yeah, Doge. I'm not sure what to think of it. I mean, Doge, Doge is all about this one over here. Get back above this one, they're a lot better than they are right now. And after that, you know, we're looking for this one, 32 cents. Doge BTC, same story. First this one, but Doge is not something I'm liking currently. ADA has some big support over here. Not really a big fan of ADA. ADA, you know, resistance over here and over here. And the thing is, guys, if everybody's leveraged long, stuff like this happens. There are just so many long stops to liquidate. Everything cascades down. We've seen it before. We've seen it a lot. This is the nature of trading crypto, and you could see it over here. You know, days like these, it shoots like we shoot into discounts pretty hard. You know, just because everybody is long and is a little bit too bullish. Crypto fear index, you know, is showing that as well. Let me refresh it. Yeah, people were extremely greedy. Fundings on altcoins were extremely high, and show predicted. And I mean, right now it is basically time to buy blood. All the predicted or a short-term bounce. Try to get in. You can see it very well, you know. Positive, you know, and predicted, very negative everywhere. So yeah, it's time to get in, buy blood, play the bounce, and that is all the advice I have. And Solana and Step are still very effing good. If you want to play with some leverage, make sure to sign up on my Bybit referral link. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, and I wish I could give more info or trade setups today. For now, it is buy blood until discounts are gone, until fundings are back to normal. So it is time to long. And that is about it for today. Guys, happy trading. See you guys again tomorrow, and make sure to subscribe.